is prostatic artery embolization and when is it needed?
So prostatic artery embolization is a minimally invasive procedure, basically primarily to treat benign prostate hypertrophy. So in this procedure, we inject small particle into the blood supply of prostatic artery, that is prostatic artery, and then we embolize it. We reduce the blood supply. By reducing the blood supply of the prostate, the prostate gland shrinkage. So this help in reducing the symptoms of the prostate. So what are the indications of prostatic artery embolization? So firstly, it's in the symptomatic benign prostate hypertrophy. So if patient is on medical treatment or any other form of conservative treatment and they are not responding to the medical management, then in such cases we can do prostatic artery embolization to treat these patients. Mostly these benign prostate hypertrophy are generally presented with urinary incontinence, nocturia, urgency of the urine. So these are their lifestyle disturbances symptoms, and in such patients we need to treat this. Another indication is when patient want to avoid surgery. Though some patients are resistant for doing surgery. In such cases, we can do prostatic artery embolization, and it's a minimally invasive procedure. Thirdly, when patient is having comorbidity, like patient is having severe heart disease or some associated significant hypertensive disorders or some neurological episodes, and in such cases this being done under local anesthesia, does not require any general anesthesia. In such patient, prostatic artery embolization is very helpful. Fourthly, when it's being a minimally invasive procedure and done under local anesthesia, so such patients who are not ready for doing general anesthesia and prostatic artery embolization is indicated.
Why is prostatic artery embolization better than the conventional management modality for a BPH patient?
So it's a minimal invasive procedure. This procedure is performed through a small pinhole in a groin to get an access to common femoral artery, or when we do transradial access, we do a small pinhole in the wrist. So this is being a minimal invasive procedure, no scar is done in the patient. So that is an advantage of prostatic artery embolization. Secondly, preservation of sexual function. If you see, one of the important complications of conventional surgical procedure is impotence or disturbances in the sexual function. So the incidences of this is less with prostatic artery embolization compared to the conventional patient. Then third is reduce risk of incontinence. So if we go through transurethral access, there are chances of urinary incontinence in the patient who are treated by conventional surgical procedure. This complication is less with the prostatic artery embolization. Fourthly, as I said earlier also, no general anesthesia is needed. So these procedures are generally done under local anesthesia. So the patient who has comorbidity, like they may have heart disease and unable to give the general anesthesia, in such cases prostatic artery embolization always a beneficial treatment. Then it requires less recovery period. So patient can be discharged on the next day or 1 or 2 days. This patient, prostatic artery embolization is now the preferred way of treating the benign prostate hypertrophy. When there is a large prostate, then this large prostate operating this is very difficult in when we do large prostate. So in such cases, prostatic artery embolization is very helpful procedure. Patient who is having previous surgery, pelvic surgery, so their anatomical becomes abnormal. There can be fibrosis. In such cases, surgery is very difficult. In such cases, prostatic artery embolization proves a boon to treat this benign prostate hypertrophy.
What is your clinical experience on the results, and what does the present literature evidence has to say about prostatic artery embolization?
It is found that significant improvement in the symptoms of the prostatic artery embolization. So what symptoms they have assessed? Urinary incontinence, then urgency of the urine, then nocturia, and increased strain of the urine. These symptoms were studied by this literature, and they found that prostatic artery embolization helps significantly reducing these symptoms. The significant reduction in the prostatic volume after prostatic artery embolization. Thirdly, quality of life index. one of the important symptoms or important affection of benign prostate hypertrophy is quality life disturbances. So this was studied in most of the literature, and most of the literature suggests that the quality of life, including better sleep due to nocturia, was and fewer urinary symptoms impacting daily activities were improved after prostatic artery embolization. Safety profile is better compared to conventional treatment when we talk about prostatic artery embolization. Prostatic artery embolization had less risk of sexual function disturbances as compared to the conventional treatment.
What is a radial approach and how is this beneficial for the patient?
Faster ambulation is advantage of radial access. Then associated risk of vascular complications. So sometimes femoral artery having a tortuous anatomy, so may be difficult to get an prostatic artery access. The advantage of radial, we can get a straight course from above, and so the radiation time, the procedure time significantly reduced with the radial access.
What is the message you want to give to the general practitioners about managing the patients in their OPD after this procedure has been done on their patient by an interventional radiologist?
Is management of pain. So these patients generally require may have mild pain in the region of prostate because we have reduced the blood supply. Most of the patients, they are well managed with routine anti-inflammatory and painkillers. A general physician should convey patient that hydration should be well maintained. Weightlifting, straining should be avoided for 15 days to 6 weeks. Patient should be convey about this that there will be reduction in the symptoms in a 15 days to 6 weeks.